during coverage by Flame Voice TV at the Bode District Inter School Culture Festival, hosted at the Kwafukaa Circuit. An extraordinary display of creativity stole the spotlight. While culture and tradition took center stage, innovation quietly emerged from the minds of two young boys. Kingsley, the initiator of the idea, together with Joseph Mensah, combined their creativity to create a working table fan. Using paper, wires, and a small motor and a switch, the boys engineered a simple yet functional device. With a single press of the switch, the fan came to life, drawing amazement from chiefs, teachers, and the entire audience. Fellow boys spoke to the boys. The district culture coordinator, Mr. Rekon, praised the boys for their ingenuity and encouraged them to continue developing their talents. Our lead reporter later engaged the boys in a brief interview, highlighting their vision and determination.
Mesa, what school are you from? Kwafukaa DA Primary School. Okay. Then, fast society. Can I fast society today? Okay. Then the one inside there, press the find the buy.
Wire and the battery.
Wire and the battery. See, we are wire. Battle there, battle Libya. The edition, in the mic, we are now saying battle Papa Libya. Battle Cassini. And now they wire and the join here. Now, what we say, we are Ibida, and now this year, and I say, wow, what's the one I bought? See, wire and the battle. Now they join here. Now the other president, everybody. Are you there? She has it. Switch. And I just say, what's the electricity? Electrical circuit or switch. Say, no matter every time I say a switch, wire and the battle. And I can't move. It's normal when you're in a paper, any normal to share on a wire and a camera. Oh, wire here. Bubana. Talk about it. One day I drink the buy and say, and yet fun. What I just had during the buy. Then I was saying, Saudi, why I can't battle one between our fine. Where they will say, yeah, they can't motor. Okay.
And I didn't know why it's me. I can't run and they can't battle and I'm not trying
to the wire. No motor, Munya free, they Munya motor free.
Say, I TV, I say,
to put TV, I say, I'm calling you motor. And I'm the sure motor the channel. Yes, sir. Okay. See, school baby, now, also a process.
Flam Kingsley.
Okay. And see, I said, men are all catching video about Handia.
Yeah, Damasi.
By a need to go to the way I'm with you and the encounter. Now, with me, I am not going to party. That we are must buy.
Scissors. And a battery, we can go, Mam, dear.
So,
It was a proud moment, one that went beyond culture to celebrate innovation, teamwork, and the bright future ahead. Keep watching Philip Voice TV. Philip Voice TV, this is a story of creativity in action.